Guess what, guys? I have another package. Woo! This is happening a lot sooner than I thought it would. So this is part 2 of my Temu haul. I was debating if I should include this in my other one, but that one's already edited and I don't feel like fixing it. Thus, here we are. I do have some pretty random items in here, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna start with these. I thought these were gonna come in a roll because when you see the picture here, they're in a roll. And so it came with 2 silvers and it came with 2 golds. So that was the little bundle that I bought. Oh, and these are a lot fatter than I thought they were gonna be. Obviously I was gonna use this on my nails, but wow, these are big. So this is like how much you get. It's a good amount. I wish they were a lot smaller though. I want to be able to use more chains in my sets, but I only have so many and that's why I don't, because I don't want to use it all. And now that I'm collecting more, I'm going to be using it more. So these are velvet flocking powders. I own just like a small amount of flocking powder, but I obviously wanted more because I think they're kind of fun. It's pretty much just like texture that you would just add to your nail. I'm sure you've seen these before. I'm always just like wanting to just put a bunch of stuff on my nails, like anything that can make a nail look pretty without having to draw, because I suck at drawing. So yeah, if there's a way to spice up a nail without having to do that, then I'm going to use it. And then I bought these magnets. I have some already that I use to measure my nail length when I'm cutting them, but I ended up using some of those to create some fridge magnets with my niece. So I wanted to buy some more to replace it. So, and these ones are skinnier than the ones that I had, I think, and a little bit bigger in size. So this came with 50 pieces and it came with a little case. So that was really cool. Okay, so these here, like I said, there's gonna be a bunch of random stuff in this haul. These are actually coin organizing sheets. So you would put, there's like these little pockets that you can put, like if you collect quarters and stuff like that. Now hear me out. I'm always trying to figure out a way to organize and get like the most efficient and easiest way to access. I thought about using these for my charms, right? I have a lot of charms and I thought putting them in these little pockets could be an okay way to store them. We'll see. We'll see if I decide to keep it. We'll see how it looks. So there's 210 grids all together that I can put my charms in. This is just an idea. I'm always trying to figure out the best way to organize everything. So I will get back to you on whether or not I decide to use these and if they work or not. What do I do next? What do I do next? Let's see. I'll do this one. Yes, it's a little gumball machine. Oh my gosh. And it actually turns. Actually works. So I'm trying to figure out ways to come up with like nail designs, and I thought it would kind of be cool to put maybe like randomly on paper different aspects to a nail design, and I would put it in here and then I would draw it out, and whatever comes out I would have to make a nail design based on that. So I don't know, it was just kind of like a fun way, a fun thing to incorporate in my videos. We'll see. I'm brainstorming. So I have this, okay? Now wait. I hope my boyfriend doesn't watch this because he's gonna think, he's gonna be shaking his head like, why? So much smaller than I thought it would be. Along the lines of randomizing my nail sets, I got this. Oh my gosh. Okay. I thought this was gonna be a lot bigger. That seems to be the theme nowadays. How do I open this? Okay. So these actually come with little balls that you can put stuff in. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and try this. Do I? Or am I gonna return it? Okay. And then you can actually like use it. Isn't that cute? So yeah, thought about the same thing. Put some ideas in here, put it in here, and then whatever I can. You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna put the balls in. Okay, I know it's stupid. I know. Trust me, I know it's stupid. But at the same time, I like to spend my money on stupid shit. So yeah, I got these for the purpose of trying to, I don't know, add a little something. Next, what is this? Let me try to remember. Okay, so this is a storage box. So it's just like one of these. And it comes with 3 shelves, and you can put them anywhere. Here. So I thought this would be cool to just have sitting on my desk for little things. I like it. And then the last thing. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. It is a UV flashlight. And so the reason I got this honestly is because a lot of the nail charms that I've been stocking up on are glow in the dark. I wanted to be able to see it without having to put them in my UV lamp every single time. Okay, so this one you can use batteries or you can charge it. Look how big this thing is. This is massive. Like, this is heavy duty. I believe this is 120 watts. You'll see it in the listing. Yeah, I know this one was a lot. Where's the battery go? Oh, okay. Oh, it comes with batteries. That's awesome. If I open it, that means I'm gonna have to use or keep it. Charge it real quick. You guys, I have a little, well, I have 3 little guests. Don't mind the mess. My babies came to visit. Coda, come here. Then I have the troublemaker. Oh, right here. This is Dakota. I don't think I ever formally introduced her, but she likes to eat poop, so I don't let her kiss me. But yeah, they're just visiting me. Okay, well, that was it. That was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. Like I said, there are some more items coming. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.